Good morning, it's Dave from Credit Logic. I haven't done a video in quite a while, but I want to introduce a new service especially needed for these times. What we have done is put two packages together basically. Credit score restoration to get your scores as high as possible, as quickly as possible, combined with a professional loan modification. And we've done this for only $179 down to start. There's no program like this anywhere. And it's what I think is our bailout. Main Street's bailout. Wall Street's getting their bailouts. We need ours. So this is my little part in the world to help accomplish that and help people. What this entails is first is the credit restoration. In order to get the best credit scores as quickly as possible, we believe you need three things. We've talked about this in the last video. Those three things are disputing negatives to the credit reporting agencies, but also disputing some negatives in different sets of laws to the creditors themselves, like the collection agencies. We call that a dual challenge, and what that does is just give us a higher percentage of success, basically deleting or correcting negatives from our credit, which of course will help our credit score. But more importantly, we also include what we call our action list. Again, I've talked about this in other videos. The action list finds the 65% of the makeup of the credit score that has nothing to do with negative credit. So this action list, through a computer system, we can find different actions, easy actions for you to take to further raise your score. Let me give you an example. Go to optoutprescreen.com, click the 5-year opt-out, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, and you will get 6 points from that. Transfer $212.31 from your Chase account to your Wells Fargo account, let's say, and in 30 days you will get 17 points from that. So it finds other areas. We could find 40 to 100 points just from the action list alone on average. So combining all three of those is what we call total credit score restoration in the shortest amount of time. Now we move on to a package for loan modification for you homeowners out there struggling, loss of job or downsize, payments a little bit too high. Well, we help you professional loan modification where we're not going to ask for that $3,000 or $4,000 up front in this package in 179. It guarantees to get started on your loan modification, and then and only then after a successful loan modification to your liking will we charge some money, and it starts at $19.95, and we can even set up payment plans after it's modified. Big difference. So don't spend a lot of money up front and crossing your fingers. Pay only after you're satisfied is the only way we believe it can be done. On loan modification, we can lower interest rates, which ultimately lowers your monthly payment, and also in certain cases will work on trying to lower your principal balance too. A lot of people like me here in Las Vegas, our property values have gone down in some areas almost 60% from their highs, and a lot of people are called what we call anyway upside down. They owe more than it's worth. So we also try to attack, besides the payments and get those lower, we try to attack the principal balance you owe on it too. So this credit repair and loan modification all in one, it's $179 to start. Email us info@clscredit.com or dave@clscredit.com, and we can give you the information and the paperwork to get all that started. Again, this is our way of saying we need our bailouts. Wall Street, you've got yours. It's time for good old Main Street. So check it out if it will help. By the way, last note, I'm going to start coming out with some information and videos in the real near future here on what's going on with the economy and our dollar. There's a lot of great people on the line right now, especially on YouTube, giving information. I'll just throw out my 2 cents, and maybe it's a different perspective. So other than that, I want you to have a great day.